Sel.
Nakarapit si mami, si daddy, tatay, nanay, papa, lola, lolo. At mami, pakisabi sa iyong anak, I love you, anak.
I love you, anak.
Salamat sa 10 buwan. Hug. Hug, dali, hug. May quiz. Bakit yung iba wala? Nagsiselfie lang. Hug.
Wow, love niya daw si...
Alam niyo ba na yung certificate na tatanggapin nila ay kasama sa milestone ng buhay nila?
Salamat!
Sa kanilang elementary school, hanapin ng guro kung sila ay kaparte ng ganitong programa. So, meron kayong ebidensya ngayong araw na ito. Si Mami. Tama? Okay. Nang dahil dyan, by the authority vested in me, as the Department Head of the Social Services Department of the City Government of Muntinlupa, through the Early Childhood Care and Development Council, I now confirm you completers of Minor Life, GK, Chocolate Hills, Mayon Volcano, and Nakak Child Development Centers for the school year 2023-2024.